Searching for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Rice's Crossing area? If you are trying to find an auto body repair shop in Taylor's Rice's Crossing area, you are likely to have been in a fender bender or worse. Roadway mishaps take place typically in any part of the world, and, whether it might be your fault or not, only one thing is for sure: damage to your car or truck is generally inescapable. A car or truck mishap is generally really demanding. Aside from the preliminary occurrence, a big part of the tension follows the crash. Why? Due to the fact that, after the mishap, the damage to the car or truck needs to be fixed, which can be pricey both in time and cash. Watch this auto body shop video in Rice's Crossing. So what do you do? If you're trying to find crash repair work, you'll need to discover a service center you can rely on. That's not constantly simple. After all, the majority of the time you will not understand if the service center is attempting to rip off you till it's far too late. So what can be done to conserve you your time, your cash, and your nerves? Auto body quote for Taylor's Rice's Crossing: as soon as you have actually shortlisted a couple of car or truck repair work centers that have the proficiencies to handle all sort of crashes, you need to request for price quotes and compare them. Depending upon the quality of service and the sort of repair work that the repairers have actually examined, the overall expense of the repair work might differ to some extent. By getting a price quote from various repair work centers, you can get a concept on the level of the damage that requires to be fixed on your automobile. Auto body insurance help when you take your automobile to car or truck dealerships. Make certain they have a crash center. Validate with your insurer which dealership is recognized with them. They can offer you a list of crash centers or car or truck dealerships that use crash services that can capably service your car or truck to keep you from another mishap. Auto body equipment: no matter what sort of repair work services you require, an expert auto body shop can supply you with anything and whatever and deal with all the various makes and designs. While a car or truck garage can constantly assist you with outside concerns, they likewise have the expertise to handle crash repair work jobs. Auto body techs: nobody prepares to enter a car or truck mishap. It needs to be a top priority to get the car or truck fixed by a specialist and reliable car or truck mechanic. Make certain that the mechanics who use mishap repair work and car or truck services can get your automobile back on the road securely. Auto body near you: initially, constantly contact the BBB to see if any problems have actually been made versus the service center near you. Nevertheless, given that the BBB is a personal company, you need to likewise contact the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The most convenient method to do that is to check out the FTC website. Another thing you can do is drop in the service center and talk with the other motorists who are getting their lorries fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.